Hi, I'm Stephen Jackel and I run the tech team at myprosperity. Over 40% of Australians don't have an up-to-date will. And through the surveys we've run through the myprosperity platform, we found that with a lot of firms, over 70% of their clients don't have an up-to-date will. So how do we solve this? We've partnered with View Legal, a law firm, and now Infinity to be able to generate free wills for your clients. So how does it work? Through the myprosperity platform, we gather a range of data about the client, their family, the beneficiaries, who the executor of the will is, in order to generate the right will for them. If they have a spouse, we can also generate a mirror will so that the whole family is covered. We also identify if they have a more complex situation and need to be referred off to a lawyer to make sure that we get the right will for the right person at the right time. We also look after the executors. So often there's someone left to work through the family affairs and execute on that will. And through the myprosperity platform, we've got real-time feeds around the balance sheet, the assets, the liabilities, the insurance, the people who are part of their team. And we can generate an executor kit and really relieve the burden of having to wind up the estate. Now, often on the back of that, there's some great conversations we can have around, is someone's investments and finances on track? Have they got the right life insurance? Have they got the right people in their team to work through their affairs? If you want to get started with wills, you can do that now, or if you need some help, come and talk to someone at myprosperity.